Okay, let's work a little bit on our file uploads. Now, I want to get the client original extension and make sure I pass it into this name. I'm going to concatenate it. So request image get client original extension is going to give us that extension. But rather than making two calls to our request class, we could just actually save this into a variable. So we're just going to say uploaded image equals request image. Then we could reference this right here, and that would do, right? So we get the uploaded image, store it publicly, or another option for us is to use our store method and make sure we're storing into the public disk. But we'll look at this later when we're trying to actually display the images. And then it stores into a series directory, and the name of the file is the string slug for the title, and it attaches the get client original extension, right? So if it was a PNG, it's going to attach that. If it's a JPG, then it's still going to attach that. Okay, so once that is saved, we now know the name of the file. So this is the name of the file that is going to be saved for us, right? So what we could do is actually say file name right here equals this, and then pass in file name. And rather than saving the image URL as such, we're going to save it as series because we know that it's going to be in the series directory. Then concatenate to file name. Okay, so we have the file, which is our uploaded file or uploaded image instance. We get the file name by attaching title string slug version to the original client extension. And then we uploaded the file into a series directory and passed that file name. And then we created the series. And while creating the series, we make sure we specify the image URL as series concatenated with the file name, and we redirect the user back. So let's try this out in the browser and see what we get. Another series, upload the file, and I say another series description, create series, and we'll redirect it back. Now let's check out our folder. So in our storage app directory, we have this another series JPG, which is an error. So what we should make sure we do is actually have a full stop to make sure that's an extension, and that's going to fix that error. Then let's use Tinker to check out our database, PHP artisan Tinker, and we're going to get podcast series, and I'm just going to get all. Okay, so looks like our image URL actually was successfully passed, but without the points right here. That's the simple error we made. Our file name changes right here with adding this dot extension, and then looks like everything is going to work out. So try this out one more time, and then we're going to write a feature test to make sure it works. So final series description, upload the file, create series, we're redirected back, check out Tinker, and looks like we have a final series.jpg that is specified for our image URL. Check out our file extension, and sure enough, we have our image that was uploaded. Looks perfect. So our procedure for actually creating a series is working. Why don't we write some feature tests to make sure we never break anything in future?